Soneto de fidelidade. De tudo ao meu amor serei atento. Antes e com tal zelo e sempre e tanto. Que mesmo em face do maior encanto, dele se encante mais meu pensamento. Quero vivê-lo em cada vão momento. E em seu louvor hei de espalhar meu canto, e rir meu riso e derramar meu pranto. Ao seu pesar ou ao seu contentamento. E assim, quando mais tarde me procure, quem sabe a morte, angústia de quem vive, quem sabe a solidão, fim de quem ama, eu possa dizer do meu amor que tive, que não seja imortal, posto que a chama, mas que seja infinito enquanto dure.
Well, welcome, friends. It's a gift to be here together in this place to celebrate the marriage of Sara Troutz and Lucas Yamamura. It's a blessed and exciting day. In 11 years, they have grown their relationship, their love and their understanding of each other, and it has grown and has matured.
I'll never forget the day that Sara and I drove up onto the Dartmouth campus, and Sara lit up. She straightened up, she was noticing everything, probably saw that she would fit there as a student and she'd get a great education. Little did she know she would meet the man that she will spend the rest of her life with.
A partner was not something I was looking for in a college frat basement, but, but that's exactly what you became.
Sara, nós navegamos os altos e baixos da vida e ficamos juntos nos últimos 11 anos.
The past decade together has been full of many changes and challenges. Like any couple in their 20s, we've had our fair share of ups and downs. As we found ourselves, found each other, and ultimately found our future through shared struggles, successes, and endless unknowns.
Nós choramos e damos risadas. Nós aprendemos que somos seres humanos imperfeitos, mas somos perfeitos um para o outro. Quando te conheci, eu era um menino de 19 anos. Mas crescemos juntos e tenho orgulho da pessoa que eu me tornei por causa de você.
You are everything I need in my life. The one who calms me down when I'm stressed and can't think straight, who keeps me organized and focused, and who watches the gory parts of TV shows so I don't have to and tells me when they're over. I'm grateful for you in so many ways. I'm grateful for your thoughtfulness and how you find ways to make me feel special. I'm grateful for how when you love someone, you give so much of yourself to them, as evidenced by our very spoiled dog.
It's so fun being here to celebrate Sara and Lucas, two of the kindest, smartest, and most genuine people that I know.
We are so happy that Lucas hasn't been alone in this journey. Thank you so much, Sara, for being there for my brother.
Sara and Lucas, it is Jill's and my heartfelt prayer that God would bless your marriage the way He has blessed these last 11 years.
Sara and Lucas, Daniela and I are very proud of you for taking the first step in your journey together, and we wish you all the best.
Sara, I have cherished every moment of being your maid of honor. It has been an absolute blast. You are the most effortless and radiant bride. Everyone raise a glass, please. Cheers to many wonderful years ahead.
Lucas and Sara, I wish you nothing but the best. Congratulations.
I hope that, as it's commonly said, this union will last for eternity.
I am proud and delighted and honored to propose a toast to Sara and Lucas. May your lives together overflow with the blessings of joy and peace and love. Cheers.
Eu sou uma pessoa melhor por causa de você. Você me mostra todos os dias a alegria de viver. Você quer que eu me preocupe menos e viva mais. Você está sempre do meu lado e acredita em mim.
No task seems too daunting when I'm with you, like taking a job outside my comfort zone or moving cross-country with a puppy. You make me feel like I can do anything. I vow to love you and honor our commitment to each other every day.
I vow to support you in your dreams. I vow to push you to be your best self.
I vow to look out for you and take care of you when you're sick or just need support. I vow to give you my honest opinion every time you ask me, and maybe sometimes when you don't. I promise you that I will strive to be as great of a partner to you as you are to me, as you have been over these past 11 years. I love you.
I vow to always be on your side and to protect you. I vow to stick with you to the end.